I just want to document, first of all, this is impossible light activity, ongoing direct evidence against the people of the state and the Los Angeles Police Department, who are also amplifying helicopter. It's called amplified audible activity. That's called stalking in the path. That's a group stalker. Living on the venue is called stalking in the path, maintaining joint presence on behalf of a state. And I also want to note something. LAPD just recently stopped sounding helicopter. The moment I started pressing record, they see again. All right, this is the demon possessed. They are engaged in a criminal system in concert with the people of the state. They are providing what is audible activity. They are group stalking in relevant position. They are doing so in concert with the people of the state, criminal system in the state of California, and they're doing it in the specific environment. I want to be clear. This is letting you know the Los Angeles Police Department, they are the demon possessed criminal system in the state of California, and everything that they continue to do is serving for the prosecution of the people of the state. The people of the state that engage in the un-American crime of tormenting and terrorizing an American citizen, if they're not even natural born citizens, they're going to be deported. All right? And they're never coming back. The entity engaging in group stalking and monitoring in concert with the people of the state, that is the Los Angeles Police Department. That department shall be permanently removed, and that entire department necessarily subject to what are mental examinations based on their demented condition and their ongoing documented determination to engage in tormenting and terrorizing an American citizen who's not only aware of it, I'm prosecuting it and I'm exposing it. I want to be clear, the entity is utilizing state vehicles right now to create what is audible activity while Amazon Prime is here group stalking. This is P.O.C. Amazon Prime's heavily documented. I've already documented these minions. Reference my documentation that pre-exists my moving to Los Angeles, California. That's license 63883L3. They're here delivering packages to third-party group stalkers at the specific venue. Amazon Prime is a group stalker of the state system. Employees are going to federal prison. They're doing so in your physical presence with Los Angeles PD, who are engaging in the demonic act of flying in a circle by helicopter. They're demons. That was called pacing. That's what they're doing, just to break that down for you. It is currently... right now, it's 12:41 p.m. Those demons are at the specific environment, surrounded by the direct evidence of what is not only their condition, but their criminal act in real time. This is called impunity. All right, civil and criminal prosecution. This is P.O.C., and they're facilitating that which is intolerable law. They're going to federal prison, and they are adding to, again, the system is serving to implode. You're going to prosecute the state. That's LAPD. You're going to prosecute the people. This is P.O.C. And when you have the phenomenon that surrounds you, this is direct evidence of what you're doing. You're talking about being totally surrounded with the evidence, and that is the state. And I want to be clear, not only is my shadow appearing here, it's more faint than it was before, but now it's all over here. None of it would ever occur, but I just want you to pay attention to how the demonic, how it mutates, how it changes on an ongoing basis. Never would it occur at all. Federal prison, mental examinations. Federal prison, deportation. Federal prison, civil and criminal. You're going to dip into the pockets of corrupt companies engaging in the criminal misuse and malicious abuse of companies to facilitate federal group stalking and monitoring. That's unlawful facilitation. Presence and activity creation is facilitation, and they're going to federal prison. Their identity and who they are is not going to remain a mystery, especially in federal court. That's P.O.C. 12:43 p.m. I want to be clear, what I'm documenting is the impermissible threat, the impunity with which Amazon Prime, the people of the state, with which Maria Mercado, the people of the state, with which the Latina female who's in apartment 1806 number 4, the people of the state act with impunity. All right, because the entity that's group stalking and monitoring is monitoring ongoing documentation. That is the accumulation in real time of their criminal system. And what are they showing? They're showing not only that they're stalkers, but that they are psychotic ones who pose a threat to the lives of American citizens, who have the audacity to document and expose it. And that stalker that reacts in that way, which is to continue to do it in your face, you're going to remove them. You're going to neutralize that threat, and you will remove them. And you will also create what are safety parameters, whereby they are no longer permitted to threaten the public in such a way. No more. That's P.O.C. That's P.O.C. It is currently 12:44 p.m.